Get it, Charlie. Get it, Charlie. You okay, MeeMee? You ready to go? You want to go home? She don't go home, man. You hear the doggy barking? Oh, you see the fly by you. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get the fly away from you. I'm sorry. Oh, that's what he wanted to do. The guy over there is waiting for me to move to let his German Shepherd off the leash. That was very respectful, so I appreciate that. Right? Okay, thank you. Come on, we're going bye-bye. Good boy, Charlie. There's no pee-pee coming out, though. You're all dried up. You're all dried up. You ready?